cultivate or undermine Ubumuntu. Technologies that automate exclusion, intensify surveillance, or takes communal accountability away, threaten the moral ecology within which personhood is sustained. So, if you ever have or are in contact with all kinds of technologies taking over your capacity to relate to the other, then there you have a criteria to say this technology, this machine, this robot is taking my being human over. So, you have to be really thinking about that concept of Umuntu and Ubumuntu from a very basic perspective of being related to the others. And now, if you move from Ubuntu philosophy and Ubumuntu, Numunu in our Rwandese ontological side, then you can ask yourself, is there out there any other philosophers who would be really giving us a hint in